I am boiling water for oatmeal this morning because it's a cold, cloudy morning.
Good morning. Oh wow, my glasses broke, and so I was trying these, but they're not the right strength, so I gotta take these off. Guess I'll be buying some glasses today. Guess it's a good thing it's moving day. I have been here for, oh gosh, I don't know, I guess about an entire week, which has been just really lovely. And I'm now going to start meandering toward Robert, but first I have a couple of stops to make. And you can tell that I've been in, it rained 3 days straight, but that's why I was here, to wait out the rains, and I wasn't able to travel like Robert likes to do. He likes to zip around, and so I stayed here, and I just stayed in the van with it raining, but my hair still like went Texas curly big. And I'm just getting up and just wanted to touch base with you guys, and everybody has been concerned, and I appreciate it, about me staying by myself. But you have to know that I was holed up in the van, first of all, because of the weather. Wasn't traveling in bad weather, and I'm only going an hour down the road, and so it's all good. And then after that I'll go another hour, and then one more day after that, one more travel day after that, I'll be hooked up with Robert, and I'm taking a week to do that. So also, I think it's important for everyone to know that I have people that check on me every day. I have one friend that just checks to make sure I've eaten, and it's all good. So I am not looking forward to packing up. That's never fun. But I am looking forward to moving down the road, and I am headed to go do a couple of bucket lists and get to share that with you. So that's exciting. So let's get this day started. I'm going to pour me a cup of coffee. Well, that took a while. I don't know why, really. But to get the inside done, the van doesn't take that long. I lose time, or I don't know, but it's now after 12, and I don't know what time checkout is here, and it's not posted online, but I've got the inside done. It took a while because I've had the blankets up and everything, because like I said, it rained here 3 days straight, but it was nice because that means that it was very quiet, and I pretty much had the park to myself, the whole campground, really. Every now and then one or two people had come in, but it was great for me. And I have blankets up. I put a thicker blanket up over the side doors, and then in front I put up my peace blanket, and then of course I have Reflectix in the windows behind the curtains, and so it just really makes it nice and snugly. I wouldn't say warm, because it did get down into the 40s inside the van, and I had to wear my coat and everything. But at night, underneath my down comforter that my friend Linda gave me, and my heavy-duty winter sleeping bag that's a -20, I think it's rated to, I slept great. It was no problem. And thanks to Camping World, who did a botched job on my the vents that go up on the hood up there on the ceiling, that I had those installed for when I had my dogs, and they didn't even put the cover on. I don't have the cover, the inside plate cover, I don't know what it's called, and so I have to like put, and they're not recessed, so I can't put one of those nice little pillows up in there like I used to in my bumper pull trailer. Super spree. But Tiki, my friend Tiki, she even got up on top and fixed some things for me, and so she put in some insulation in it. And so now when I put up Reflectix, I have to use little clips. I get those clips from Walmart. You can also get them at Home Depot in bulk, but they're cheaper at Walmart, and I like the black at Walmart versus the red at Home Depot. Anyway, I put those up over those vents, and I kept drafts from coming in, and I did just fine. Now I have to break down the she shed, and that's got the canopy shade, and you know, just the things that I've had sitting out, and been able to enjoy. Not as much as I could have if it had been warm, but I'm going to break that down and then hit the road. And like I said, I'm taking it really nice and easy, and a whole week, and I'll be back with Robert by next weekend. But wait until you guys see what's coming up on the next videos for where I'm going.
Easy.
Robert texted to remind me not to forget to, I think I said that right, to unplug the shore power so that I don't drive off with the door shut and, you know, a cord hanging behind me. There is one more thing for me to take care of here in the campground before I actually get on the road. And it's this kind of thing that just drives Robert crazy, and rightfully so. And we're working it out to where it works for us. He can go on and find a campsite, which is what we think we'll be doing from now on. And I can take as much time as I need to get ready and go. But one more thing, and that is to go take a shower. You guys be sure and check out the video on why I use a diaper bag. Well, that felt good. Now it's time to plug in my devices, plug in where I'm headed, and leave Beaver. No, that's not a joke. I really am leaving Beaver, Utah. And it has been a wonderful stay here at this campground. I'll put the information in the description. It has been cold and wet here, but the rain is going away, but it's been in the 30s, and now it's supposed to get down to the 20s and be snowing. In fact, there's snow on the mountains all around me. So it's a good time to leave Beaver and head out, and I'll see you down the road, everybody.